Good morning. Second morning out here. And we are kind of involuntarily monitoring. There's a marathon going on. And we are right, if you see the yellow ribbons, we are right at the corner turn here where they're supposed to turn and then go back down the trail that way. And everyone's running down the wash right here. And here's us. And they just keep running. They don't even see the arrow. So we're set up out here just helping them and guiding them. And some people will run right past it and we'll yell at them to turn around. And I guess we're just volunteering, you know. But it's fun. We're just hanging out. It's a beautiful morning. We're packing up to go check out some trails and hiking. So let's go see what we can find. Say bye, Scotty.
Bye.
Bye.
We out here in the middle of nowhere. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
Where are we, dude?
Scotty!
D.
Looking for D? No D, sheep. Look where we're at. Made it to the destination. Good job, Scotty. Good job, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy felt it.
Yeah.
Sorry. Wish I could do it.
It's okay. Wow, look at that, Scotty. Cool.
It's crazy. How long ago did they put these on that wall?
Look, there's a teepee.
Alright, heading back out. Quick little trip. Can't do too much with the little one, and on Mommy's back. Daddy's unable to carry. I'm not allowed to carry him. I want to carry him. But here's where we're at, heading back. Look at that, just out here. That's where we came from. There they are. Cheese! And we made it back in one piece. Not a hard trail at all. 1 mile out, 1 mile back. For those of you that don't know math, that would be 2 miles.
Yeah, so this one is the Pictographs in Blair Valley, so that's the one we just saw. And there's other ones, Pictographs at Carrizo Gorge and a Blue Sun Cave. But we're at the Blue Valley one. They survived for hundreds of years. Help ensure that they are not damaged or lost in the 21st century. Take photos, but please don't touch them.
Scotty, what did you do? Ready to eat?
Okay, good thumbs up. Say cool, dude. Hey guys, I am actually, the baby took a nap, so I walked out to the middle of the dry lake bed out in Blair Valley where we're camping, because there's some dead old trees over here that I thought would be cool pictures to take. So we'll see how those turn out, but I just wanted to do a quick turnaround to show you around Blair Valley. Let me flip this around. So there's the tree I was talking about, I was taking pictures of. If they turned out good, I will share them. Scanning over here, we are right there in the center. That little white dot is us. And then if I keep scanning, you'll see more people camping all along the road and against the mountain. If I keep turning, you'll see more over there. So it's a cool spot. It's pretty spread out. There's a lot of places to just pull off and camp at, which is really nice. You don't have neighbors right next door to you. We're running the generator almost all day long. See a bunch of people tucked away up in against the mountains and rocks right there, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty popular place, but it's also really quiet. I have no complaints. More people out that way. And I'm in the center of it all. Back to the tree. Alright, time to pack up and head back to our rig. See if little man's up now. Talk to you guys later. On the road. We found a dump station that was 9 miles down the street from where we were staying, which is basically in the middle of nowhere. All of a sudden there was a campground and $7 to dump the tanks. Not bad. It is 10:40. We're expecting it to take probably about 4 hours to get home. What?
Time changed.
Oh, it did. Yes. Time changed last night, and it changed on the trip. Oh, keeps flipping. Alright, so overall, I think the trip was good. I had fun. We got to see the wildflowers. We got to see the metal sculptures. We went hiking yesterday and saw the pictographs and the little Indian digging holes in the rocks. I'm feeling it today. I'm sore from carrying Scotty yesterday, but it's good sore. Overall, I like the trip. What do you think?
Anytime we're in the rig, it's a good time.
Alright, time to head home.
Now just get home safe.
Gotta get home safe and start planning the next trip. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Say bye, Scotty.
Bye, baby.